Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to let you know to stay home and stay safe. Anyways, today we're gonna be making Play-Doh. So the ingredients you will need is flour, salt, oil, and warm water. And you could get food coloring if you want, and a bowl and a spoon. So we're gonna open up the flour, and it says that we're supposed to add 2 scoops. So that's what we're gonna do. That's 1 and 2. Okay, so I think that's good. So now we're gonna have to add warm water. Make sure it's hot. So we're gonna add the amount and 2 scoops of warm water. And next is 1 scoop of salt. And 2 scoops of oil. That's 1 and 2. Okay. So now we're gonna just mix. So it should be coming like Play-Doh, but if it's not really, then you need to add more oil. That is good. And it's gonna mix. You have to mix really well. So, yeah. So, if it's not really coming out, like right now, that just means you add a little bit more water. Anyways, for that, yeah, it's turning out. So everything should be turning out together. So now I'm gonna do it with my hands now. You could do as many as you want. Also, you could do this if you're bored. So, yeah. After that, if this is if you really want to make Play-Doh, the only thing is the oil is just gonna be like, it's gonna turn your hands like really slimy or something. But now let's just add the food coloring. So I'm gonna be adding red because I like red. So that is enough. Also, if you don't want food coloring getting stuck in your hands, you could put gloves. So, yeah. So, right now it is turning good. So you just mix. Also, you also want to add something. You could do this in your kitchen, or if you just want to do it somewhere else, you're gonna have to get some paper or something, or that way you don't make a mess, because maybe your parents will get mad at you. So yeah. Anyways, more food coloring because it's not exactly red. So yeah. Anyways, that color is red. anyways, this is how it's coming out. So that way, if you don't have something to make slime or anything, you can make Play-Doh, because it is fun to play with. So yeah. Also, to make it more good, I'm gonna add another color to see what color it makes. So as there's no purple here, and you know how blue and red makes purple, right? We might just add some red, some blue. So I just added this much. That way it can make purple. I think it is turning purple, so yeah. Look, it is actually turning purple, so yeah. I think we need to add like a bit more blue, because right now I'm kind of turning gray. So yeah, that is good. Okay, it is turning purple, so that is a good thing, because I added a bit too much food coloring. So I thought it was gonna turn blue. Instead, it came out the color I wanted, purple. So yeah, if it's a little bit too sticky, you can add more oil, because you know, for me it's kind of getting sticky. Just gonna add a little bit because you don't want it dry. So yeah. You see, that way it's not sticky anymore. So yeah. You can make as many as you want. So yeah, as long as you have these ingredients. This is only simple, and I'll show the ingredients again. You'll need 2 scoops of flour, 2 scoops of warm water, make sure it's hot, and 1 scoop of salt, and 2 scoops of oil. And remember, food coloring is optional. If not, you can make it like this color. But yeah, that is it for today, and yeah, bye.